Hey, how you doing? My name is Karan Bolden. I'm a national youth motivational speaker, author, entrepreneur, TV show host, and a slew of other things. But today we're not talking about me at all. We're talking about you being at the 2024 GYE Workshop. That's the greatest year ever workshop. And this is for those who are looking for funding, sponsorships, endorsement deals, and also massive media attention. Listen, have you been going to these workshops and you go in and you're like, man, I'm gonna get all this information, and you go to the workshop, you leave out, they gave you so much information and you leave out and you're more confused than when you went in because you're so bombarded on which way to turn? Well, we've made this process very simple for you to come in from 3 to 7 p.m. on September the 22nd, and I am going to give you the exact templates that I've used to be able to solidify hundreds of thousands of dollars in sponsorships. Now listen, this is a hard thing for most. This will not be hard for you because I have the templates. You're gonna take my name off, put your name on. I'm gonna take my mission statement off. I'm gonna help you at the event craft the mission statement, put your mission statement on, take my logo off, put your logo on, and now when you walk up to a corporation or you meet someone at a happy hour or you're just out in the community and someone says, hey, I wanna know who you are, what do you do? And you say, I do X, Y, Z. And then they say, I would love to sponsor that event. My corporation can sponsor that event. Do you have a sponsorship letter? Most of us will walk away and not be able to seize the opportunity because we weren't ready. And like a wise person once said, if you stay ready, you won't have to get ready. So come and get ready this September the 22nd from 3 to 7 p.m. at R&R Marketplace, where I'm going to be able to show you how to get sponsorships, grants, funding opportunities, and massive media attention. This is going to be an event like no other. We're going to actually work on your tools and the resources that you need to be able to get funded. Also, we're going to do a live critique with some of my funders in the room so you'll be able to network with them. And this is the last thing. Hold on, don't tell nobody. Hold on, wait. If you buy a ticket right now, I'm also going to give you a free ticket so that you can give to your staff member, your executive director, your mom, your cousin, your manager, or somebody else that you know that's on the same mission as you. It's always better to go together. So if you buy a ticket right now, you'll get one ticket for free, and I'll see you September the 22nd from 3 to 7 p.m. at the GYE Workshop. This is definitely gonna be a bold move for you and your plus one. Let's make it happen, baby.